friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen.
Chutney podi is a flavorful condiment made with lentils, seeds, and spices. For making this powder, we need 1 cup urad dal, 3/4 cup chana dal, 2 tablespoons asafoetida, 15 to 20 red chillies, few curry leaves, 2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, that is the ground sweet red chili powder for color. It is optional. You don't have to add paprika powder, then your powder will be a little yellowish. For convenience, I'm going to roast all the ingredients in the same pot. You have to be really careful when you do this. Heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon coconut oil, heat the oil, add the crushed asafoetida. If you are using the powder, add that at the end. Add red chilies, add urad dal and chana dal, add curry leaves, then roast it in medium flame. Add the black pepper. I used only 1 teaspoon black pepper and quarter cup sesame seeds. Now we added all the ingredients except paprika powder and salt. Keep stirring and roast everything together in medium flame till the lentils turn their color to golden brown. Make sure your lentils are cooked properly. You can bite it and see if that powders in your mouth. Enjoy the aroma of lentils, curry leaves, peppers, and asafoetida. Turn off the stove. Keep stirring until the mix cools down. Powder the mix coarsely using a blender or coffee grinder. Add salt and paprika powder and asafoetida powder if needed. Your chutney powder is ready. Mix with sesame seed oil, coconut oil, or olive oil and have it with your favorite meal. The ingredients in this podi has many nutritional benefits. I make dosa podi with different ingredients. This is one of my favorite with just urad dal, chana dal and the other ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you so much.